Hello, welcome back to day 77. We finally found some Stellar Crown. We still can't get any surging sparks in New Zealand. Well, apart from maybe wanna pay like $350, $400 for booster bundle. Like a booster box. I'm not gonna pay that. Just gonna wait for whenever they wanna bring some more back in. But for now we will open what we can get. So now we got some Stellar Crowns. Couldn't get any hold of any more 151s. They were bought out beforehand. Ooh, yo, it's a good card. Damn. Gavin Tuna EX. Thank you for watching. Almost forgot. Too busy. Need to sleep the spare boy up. Okay, so thank you.